Hi guys, I'm back today with a sweet little one signature journal, also from ARTYmaze digital kit Queen Victoria, and it's got a cover from a book that I've repurposed covering with fabrics, and there's all kinds of nice little tabs and tags and a closure made from the same material as the spine. It has, like I said, one signature, 60 pages. They're tea dyed and inked, and the size is 6.5 by 8.25, and it's got a 1-inch spine that's got a pamphlet stitch. All right, opening up. I don't know if you've seen ARTYmaze kit. It is just gorgeous. The detail is really stunning. That's castle walls behind the flowers there. And here's a little book plate from Nick the Booksmith's Digitals. And a couple of digital journaling cards. And this one's an embossed folder. Over here, there's another little folder, and an envelope that I've left open so you can use it either as an envelope or for plenty of journaling. Another little card. Lots of purple. For those of you who love purple, this is for you. There's little stamps. There's some violets there. It was fun. I got to pull out my crown stamps and ones that had flourishes and everything. It all just worked perfectly for this one. There's some beautiful tea dyed. Did I say tea? I think I did. It is tea dyed paper in this one. It seemed appropriate. Oops, pulling stuff out ahead of time. Okay, here's another little folder that I had used on the edge of this paper. And it's a double tuck. Obviously, you can use it on both sides, but I had some on just the one. I have to leave room for you to put your things in too. And an index card that's been stamped, date-dyed. And all kinds of papers in here. Cutting ledger. Little fabric tabs. This was painted papers that I sprinkled with water to get that texture on there, that pattern. I know, I realize it's a fleur-de-lis, however, it's decorative and it looks royal. Tracing paper, also tea-dyed. In the middle of the signature, I put a couple of little embellishments on the strings. Here's a little booklet I sewed together with some really beautiful papers from the digital kit. Shrunk them down to small size. I think I missed one there. There we go. Nice big tuck pocket. Fit all kinds of things in there. Here's another envelope. Drawing card. Big tag. And here's a little I took 3 tags and washi them together. Actually, that's a fabric tape that's on there. That's washi on that side to make it a nice little fold-out place to journal. And we come to the back. With a little collage of fibers and papers. And my signature. And the back cover again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll have the link to my Etsy shop below. Books Reimagined. Thank you. Bye.